Join me as I take on the challenge of learning and using 50 basic English adjectives in just one day. Learning basic English adjectives is super important for effective communication. They help you describe people, places, and things, making your conversations more interesting and clear. Many learners struggle with using adjectives correctly, which can affect clarity in conversation. I mean, think about it. If you can't describe something, how can you really talk about it? It's like trying to draw a picture without colors. Using adjectives incorrectly can lead to confusion and misunderstandings. For instance, saying the big dog when you mean the small dog can change the whole meaning of your sentence. It's not just about memorizing words, it's about understanding how to use them in context. You need to know when and where to use each adjective to sound natural and fluent. So don't worry if you've struggled with adjectives before. We're going to tackle this together. Let's start with some basic adjectives. We have colors like red, blue, and green. Then we have sizes like big, small, and medium. We also have emotions like happy, sad, and excited. For example, the big red car drove down the street. Here, big and red are adjectives describing the car. Another example is, she felt happy and excited on her birthday. In this sentence, happy and excited describe how she felt. We can also use adjectives to describe food, like the delicious cake was eaten in minutes. Here, delicious is the adjective. It's time for a fun, interactive segment. I'll give you a description, and you try to guess the adjective. Ready? Here's the first one. It's a feeling you get when you're scared or nervous. What adjective am I describing? Take a guess. Okay, the answer is anxious. Next one. It's a color you see in the sky on a sunny day. What adjective am I thinking of? Think you know it? All right, the answer is blue. We've covered a lot of basic adjectives today, from colors to emotions. These words are key to enhancing your language skills and making your conversations more engaging. Recap, we have colors, sizes, and emotions, all important for describing the world around us. If you want to get better at using adjectives, practice is key. Try using them in your everyday conversations or writing. Leave a comment below with your favorite adjective and how you used it. Don't forget to watch my next video on adverbs. It's going to be just as fun and informative.